Well, guys, hello there. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine. So, guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to do some Christmas wax melts. But before we get into these swagged out Christmas wax melts, you better hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss the fabulous videos that come up on this channel. It's so good to see you, and I'm so happy, guys. I want to let you know that the entire recipe from everything that I do on my channel will be found on my Patreon, guys. If you click the link in the description box, it will lead you to my Patreon. You will not be disappointed. All right, so we are making these cute wax melts. Everybody loved them because of the little bow on them. And this is just something simple, you know, just our regular clamshell, but we just added a little swag to it just to give you guys something to post on your website, okay? Just something different. So I'm going to leave the same recipe that I used. I'm going to show you guys how to decorate them. I'm going to leave the recipe. I'm going to leave the bowls, the bowls that I have on here. I'm going to leave the vendor for these bowls. I'm going to leave the label template just in case you want this nice square label template that's already built out. I'm going to leave all of that in my Patreon for you guys. So all you have to do is click on that link inside of the Patreon and you'll go right to the vendor of everything. Everything that you need is in the Patreon, okay? All right. So I'm going to be using a Parasoy wax. Typically, I typically use a Parasoy wax because it's stronger than a soy wax. Scent wise, colors are always vibrant, always beautiful. You don't have any issues with the color. So when you use the soy, you know, if you're using red, it's going to come out pink. So I don't like that. So I always use the Parasoy. And I talk always about Parasoy all the time, guys. We always have conversations about it, so you guys know. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right. Well, guys, here's the cool part. All you have to do is just pour your wax into your clamshell. And remember, we're not pouring at a very hot temperature because clamshells will melt on you. They are very sensitive to heat. They are plastic. All right. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your dye, your candle dye, and just put a little dot in there. Next time, just put it all the way in the far corner. That way it won't spread so much. I did mine in the middle, but, you know, I was just kind of going for that swirled look. I could have just used a little less, though. All right. So that's really all you have to do. And that's how it look when it's finished. And then you just take a little bow. Of course, I'll leave those in the Patreon. You hot glue that bow on. That's how the back look. Those beautiful swirls, mixed colors. And this is our finished product right here. Don't take you very long, as you can see. All right.